Hey, you wait. Oh, alright, never mind. What are you doing here? Just crying. There's already enough showers going on. You need to add more. Oh, that's why. Oh, sorry about that then. What am I doing here? Well, as you can see, it's pouring wet, and I was on my way home. I can't really just walk in pouring rain, getting my shoes all wet. Last week, I got completely soaked, so I'd rather not step in any puddles. I'm just seeking shade right now. Come on. The wind's one thing, so is the rain. But when you combine both together, it's just an annoyance, honestly. So, you're here because your partner broke up with you, huh? That's a darn shame. Well, I got nothing better to do. I guess I'll keep you company. Being just chit chat, really. I have no malicious plans at all. In all honesty, I was waiting for coming back because I just had dinner. I tell you, they make some good burgers back there. I think I've seen you around before. Ah, that's right. You take runs across the neighborhood. You live a few houses down the street from mine. So you just came here bawling, getting away from people. Oh, so you just came here to clear your mind. I think coming here while it was raining was a bad idea. Well, if you didn't know, check your phone next time. I know not everyone can afford cable or whatever, but geez, take your phone. I mean, that's what I do. That's what I do. I brought my umbrella to work for no reason. Not a single drop, I guess. Well, it was raining after I left, but not a lot. Plus, it kind of died down when I was halfway home. I found the rain quite pleasant and lovely. Others may see it with despair. But hey, how many times you got in the movie theater and seen rain come down when someone was crying? Or when someone died? Yeah, probably a few times. What do you say? I walk you to your house? I'm the one with the umbrella. And you don't have a jacket. So, let me pop it up. Alright. So, you gonna clear your head while you're at home? Don't go crying in your bed, alright? I know you're better ways to cope than just that. I mean, what do I know? I'm just a complete stranger to you. As you are to me. Just try and make sure that tomorrow is a better day for you, okay? Don't act act so gloomy anymore, right? At least promise me that. Well, looks like we're here. Have a good night. My name? My name's not important. Take care.